Hi! Good morning! Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friends, and learn this powerful principle for our life. It says in Proverbs chapter 11, verse 11, the blessing of favor rest upon the righteous. It influences the city to lift it up or prosper. But the wicked leaders tear it apart by their words. Wow, my friend, learn the value of declaring blessing. The Bible declares that life and death are in the power of our tongue, in our words. So be careful to our words. As a righteous or a people of God, I challenge you to keep declaring the blessing to your city, to your community, to our country, and to your family and to yourself. Why? Because it influences our future, just as the Bible clearly teaches. So, I challenge you to keep declaring God's favor, life, victory, and prosperity for our city, to our family, to our nations, and to your life daily. So that's, my friend, a reminder, and I declare to all of you, Shalom, Shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.